So today's topic, I am going to discuss about Salesforce environments. Today is a Monday. I'm going to discuss about the Salesforce environments. Salesforce has two environments. One is sandbox environment, and the second one is called here production environment. Sandbox and production. So here we have four types of sandboxes: developer sandbox, developers pro sandbox, partial copy and full copy sandbox. So before I'm going to discuss about the Salesforce environments, let me recap the points once again what we discussed so far for the Sunita's convenience. Okay, Talib and Neetu, she joined today for her convenience. Just I want to recap the points.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So Sunita, please listen. On the day one, we were discussed about what is Salesforce, what are the advantages of using software applications, what are the difficulties of using software applications. These are the 3 points in the first class we were discussed, right? In the day 2, we were discussed about what is cloud computing, types of services, about IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. On day 3, we discussed about Salesforce releases, Salesforce partners, Salesforce editions. Understand everyone here? Sunita, on day 1, we discussed about what is Salesforce, what are the advantages of using software applications, what are the disadvantages, difficulties of using software applications. These are the 3 points discussed in the day number 1. In day 2, how these difficulties are overcome using cloud computing, what is cloud computing, and what are the advantages of cloud computing we discussed. Then after we discussed about what kind of services given by vendor company, that is IaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS means platform as a service. SaaS means software as a service. Sunita, don't bother. It's all new for you. Okay. Please
Sure.
take the recordings from Durga management. If you read these
Okay.
notes or read the recording or listen to the recording, definitely can understand. I can assure. In case if you do not understand any point, you can ask the class. You can ask the questions in the tomorrow's classroom. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Feel free. So day 3 means last Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I do not take the class. Day 3 means on Friday, we were discussing about what is Salesforce, Salesforce partners, and Salesforce, come on guys, editions. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. Coming to Salesforce partners, developer.salesforce.com, dreamforce.com, and appexchange.com. These are the partners about the Salesforce. Okay. And coming to editions, Salesforce developed 5 types of editions: starter, professional, enterprise, unlimited, and a developer edition. So these are the 5 editions. What is edition? What is the difference between all these editions? Okay. All these things, recording is available, Sunita. Please note down. Okay. Next, we were discussing about Salesforce releases. Okay. Winter release, summer release, and spring release. So these are the 3 points in the last class. Last week, Friday, we discussed. Okay, Sunita. Am I
Okay.
audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
So please go through the recording, last 3 classes. Still you do not understand? Feel free to ask the questions in tomorrow's class. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. Shall I start? Talib, Neetu, are you ready?
Yes.
Day 4. Today, I'm going to start with Salesforce environments. Salesforce, you have 2 environments, guys. One is sandbox environment. The other one is what? Production environment. We have 4 types of sandboxes: developer sandbox, developers pro sandbox, partial copy, and full copy sandbox. Of course, I'm not going to discuss about all these sandboxes. It's all theory. And that it is not important for you at this particular point of time. So let me start with full copy sandbox. Full copy sandbox means I can say it contains the replica. Replica means what is this? Duplicate copy of original, application. Duplicate copy of original application. Full copy sandbox. It contains the replica of original application. Am I clear this? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
It contains the replica means duplicate copy of what? Original application. Am I clear this point?
Yes.
But why we need to place the duplicate copy of the original application full copy sandbox? Here I need to discuss one important point. You people know about SDLC. Anyone hear this name? What it stands for? Software
Development life cycle.
Very good. Software development life cycle. It contains majorly 4 phases. How many phases? 4. 4 phases. First one.
Analysis.
Designing phase.
Yeah, designing.
Then development.
Testing. Deployment.
And the last stage is what here? Deployment. Total 4 phases here. Designing phase, development phase, testing phase, and deployment phase. After development, we have to go for testing. What is testing? Testing means what? The name itself implies test something. Okay. Testing means testing means it is a process of checking. It's a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the client's requirement, or do you understand, Sunita, this point? It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the client's requirement or not. So before we develop the project, client asked something to develop. And whatever client asks, that we have to develop as a developer. After developing the application or project, we have to show the application of the project to the customer or client. And then client is going to check whether this application is really meeting my requirements. Whatever requirements I asked, is they developed or not? That process can be called as what here? Testing. Understand, Sunita?
Yeah, I understand.
Once testing is completed, then we have to go for what? Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application from, sandbox to, what is this? Come on, guys. Sandbox to where? Production environment. Moving the application from sandbox environment to production environment. Am I clear this point? Hello?
Yes.
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 Moving the application from sandbox to production environment. 1 minute, please. Moving the application from sandbox to production. Okay, for Sunita's sake, I'm going to give a beautiful example about SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. For your better understanding, I'm giving a beautiful example, very elaborate example. Just try to understand this particular
Sai, and
example.
I have one doubt. I didn't catch up what is sandbox. I also need a explanation on that itself.
Yeah, very good. Sandbox environment means developers environment. Sandbox
Oh,
environment means what here? Developers
okay.
environment or environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the, as per the, what is this?
Client requirement.
Client's need. Very simple.
Yeah.
Understand? That is a developer's environment. Now,
Okay.
I'm going to give the example. I hope, Sunita, you understand this, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay. For example, Sunita, let us assume maybe tomorrow your daughter's marriage. Do you have kids?
Yeah, I do have small
Yeah.
kids.
Small kid? Okay. Daughter, baby boy or baby girl? Boy
One
or
boy, one girl.
boy? Suppose tomorrow your son's birthday. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Sunita. So
Mm-hmm.
you invited near about 100 members to this birthday party. Okay.
Okay.
And I am the food caterer. Who am I?
Okay.
I am the food caterer. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
I am the food caterer. And you called me, and you told me that tomorrow my son's birthday. So I invited near about 100 members of my friends and relatives. So you want to prepare the food. So this is the menu. So in this menu,
Okay.
you suggested some items, okay? Near about
Okay.
10 to 15 items I have to prepare.
Mm.
As per your requirement, I have to prepare how many items? 15 items. 15
Okay.
items. Understand the point here? 15
Okay.
items.
Mm.
15 items. And uh, you want ice creams. You want ice creams. And
Okay.
also you want pan. Okay.
Okay.
You want
Mm.
pan. But pan we have to give only for elders.
Okay.
Okay. Ice
Mm.
creams we have to distribute only kids. Point clear?
Okay.
This is the
Yeah.
rule.
Okay.
This is the rule. Okay. Fine.
Mm. Mm.
So you given your menu. So I have to prepare 15 items as per your requirement. Who am I
Mm.
here? I'm a food caterer. Who are
Mm.
you? You are my client. From my point of view, you're the client.
Mm.
Understand,
Mm.
Sunita?
Yeah.
And I have to prepare the food as per your requirement means preparing the food as per your requirement is my application. Correct?
Okay.
Okay. So I prepare your food at my place. I prepare the food at my place. Okay.
Mm.
Where I prepare the food, that place is called what? Sandbox. Point is clear?
Okay.
I
Okay.
am preparing the food means I am the developer. I'm going to prepare the food as per your requirement. So my
Mm.
place is called here what? Sandbox. So sandbox is a place, it's a developer's environment where developers can develop the application. Is this clear now?
Okay. Yeah, it's clear.
Fine. Good. So I prepare the food as per your requirement. Okay. So
Okay.
after that, with me, I have a good chef. One chef is there, and this chef is going to taste the food. Okay. Come on.
Mm.
Clear?
Yes.
Whether this food is good or not, if any salt is increased or maybe is it spicy or not, that is called what? Checking process. So this is called what here?
Testing.
Testing. Once everything is good, okay, everything is fine, taste is really good as per your requirement, then we have to move the food. Then we have to move the food from where to where? Food from my place to, come on, from my place to your
Client's
place.
place. Hmm.
Correct or not? Moving the food from my place to your place is called deployment. Point clear?
Okay. Hmm.
I hope you understand this.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Up to this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So testing is completed, deployment is also completed. Moving the application from sandbox to production. Okay.
Okay.
So full copy sandbox contains the replica of the original application. It is meant for testing purpose. Okay. Testing is completed, deployment is also completed. Then it goes to where? Production environment. What is the production environment? Who is there here? Production environment is a client's environment. What is this?
Client's environment.
Means your environment. Sunita,
Yeah.
that is
Hmm.
your
Yes.
place. Client's environment. Where where client employees client's employees are sitting and use the, come on, what is this? Application. Hope you understand, Sunita,
Yeah,
Neetu,
yeah.
Talib. Hope you understand this. It's
Yes.
your client place where client and client's employees are sitting and use the application. So sandbox is a development environment, whereas production is what? Come on, using environment where end users can use the application. Understand up to this?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Sunita, understand? Sunita, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Yes.
fine.
Yes, sir.
But here is a small twist is there. Very small twist. This point is very important. Everybody, please look at me. Means listen carefully. Try to understand what I'm speaking here. So I already delivered the food at the client's place. So once I deliver the food, the moment I'm delivering the food from my place to your place, along with the food, I'm going to send 4 or 5 people from my side, 4 or 5 persons from my side, and those persons are going to distribute the food at your place. Okay, Sunita? They are going to distribute the food at your place. They
Oh,
are servers. Okay?
okay.
Hello. They are servers. But for all these activities, I am going to place one more person who is going to observe, he is going to monitor the entire work there. Okay, at your place. That person, I can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call him as whom? System admin. Understand the point here, Sunita? He is a person, he is a supervisor. He will come to your place. He is going to supervise the entire system, whether they are going to distribute the food in the proper manner or not. Is anyone is wasting the food or not? Point clear, Sunita?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yes.
is
Yeah.
any elder people using ice cream or eating ice cream or not? Is any kids eating pan or not? Because kids are not allowed to eat what? Pan. Elders are not allowed to eat what? Ice creams. This kind of restrictions is there, right? Point clear. So that is restrictions given by whom here? System admin. So system admin is a person who is always sitting at the client's place. Okay, who is going to monitor the entire application, how application is running over there, and he is the person creating the user accounts. He is the person creating the profiles. He is the person creating the roles. Okay, he is the person granting the privileges. He is the person revoke back the privileges from the users. He is the person performing data management operations. He is the person performing data automations. He is the person creating the reports and dashboards, security aspects. These are all done by whom here? Come on, guys. System admin. Understand everyone? So ultimately what I'm trying to tell is after completion of this particular course, 3 months or 3.5 months down the line, after this, you will be able to apply 2 types of jobs in real time. How many types of jobs? Talib?
Two types.
2 types of jobs. One is what here? Developer job, Salesforce developer, and Salesforce administrator. Understand, Neetu and Sunita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Developer job, or you can go for administrator job. If you want to go for development side as a developer, you should have good skills at the programming. Understand the point here? Come on. You should have you should have good skills in the programming. If you want to go for admin, you do not require much programming skills because administrator almost completely based on what? GUI, just drag and drop point and click only. You do not require much programming skills. But if you want to go for development side, definitely you should require good programming knowledge. Am I clear this part of the explanation? Yes or no?
Sir.
But if you want to settle as a developer, definitely developer getting more salary than administrator. I can say at least 20 to 25% salary variation is there in real time. So initially you can go and join as administrator, but what is my suggestion is better to move into development side also after some time. So once you get the experience at least 1 to 1.5 year in real time as an administrator, once you get the exposure in real time environment, then my suggestion is better to go for development side. Understand, Talib, Sunita, and what do you call Sunita and Neetu?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, suppose in case if you got a job as an administrator in real time, what is your roles and responsibilities in the company? That is a point I'm going to discuss now. Try to understand this point is very important. Once you got a job as an administrator in the real time, what is your roles and responsibilities in the company? Roles and responsibilities of system admin. This point is very important. Listen carefully, all of you. The first point is, the first point is, he is the person creating the users. Creating the users means creating the username and password. Creating the username and what is this? Password. Next one is what here? Creating the roles. Create the profiles. Don't ask any questions. What is role? What is profile? Everything in detail we will discuss at the time of admin topic. Okay? Very clearly, very lucidly I can explain. Clear? Fine. So next one is what? Grant the privileges to the users. Revoke the privileges from the users. Performing data management operations. Management operations means we can perform import and export operations. Clear? Import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to, come on, what is this? Come on, guys. External systems. Using some tools, which is given by Salesforce. That is DIW. In short, DAW, in elaborate, data import wizard. DL, data loader. Using these two tools, we can perform import and export operations. Am I clear? All three members in the class?
Yes.
Good. So everything we will discuss in admin part. After that, we have to go for data analysis. Okay. In data analysis, we will discuss about what is OLTP systems, what is OLAP systems. Is anyone here this name? OLTP, OLAP, online transaction processing, online analytical processing, decision support systems. These are the topics we are going to discuss. And from this, we are going to generate something called what? Reports and dashboards. Understand? What is this? Reports and dashboards. 10 minutes. We'll go. Reports and dashboards. The eighth important topic is data automations, and we have something called what? Approvals. Data automations and approvals. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of an automation, please? What is the meaning of an automation? Come on, guys. Automation means automatically perform some operations without user interaction. Understood? Interaction or intervention. Suppose, take the example. Suppose if I deposit or maybe if I withdraw some amount from the ATM counter, then immediately will I receive the SMS on my mobile? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Definitely you receive some SMS on your mobile, either withdraw or deposit. Now tell me, guys, who will send the SMS to your mobile? Is there any specific person in the bank is going to send the SMS to your mobile manually? No, not possible, right? Practically, it is not possible. Correct or not?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So how automatically SMS is generated? How automatically SMS generated? This is called automation. So generating SMS automatically without user interaction. I can say this is the best example for what? Automation. Am I clear this?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Like that, generating OTPs, one-time password. This is also comes under what? Automation techniques. Understand, Talib? Neetu?
Okay.
Good. Next, last and final point. Very, very important job of system administrator. What is this? Data security. What is this? Data security. We can provide the security in different levels. Organization level security. Organization level security. Guys, app level security. Next one. Tab level security. Tab level security. Object level security. We have something called field level security. Record level security. Under record level security, we have something called OWD, stands for Organization Wide Defaults. Role hierarchies. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. Manual sharing. All these comes under what? Record level security. So these are the major 9 jobs, okay, which are going to handle by whom here? Come on. System admin. Am I clear? The roles and
System
responsibilities
admin.
of system administrator. Creating the users, creating the roles, creating the profiles, grant the privileges. Granting means giving the permissions. Privilege means permission. or permissions, whatever it is. Revoke the privileges, data management operations, means import export, using some tools like data import wizard and data loader, data analysis, OLTP, OLAP, decision support systems, reports and dashboards. We will discuss about data automations and approvals. Okay. Next one, data security. Last and final one, data security. Org level security, app level security, tab level, object level, field, record level. All of you understand, all three members? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
These are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator. Understand?
Okay. But I
Talib?
need explanation for these, as you said, app level and tab level. What are those like?
Yeah.
How are we going to control
Yeah,
these?
actually, understand, Sunita, your question, please. Actually, you people don't know, first of all, what is the meaning of app? What is tab? What is S object? What is field? What is data? Regarding all these things, I am going to explain very elaborately in tomorrow class.
Okay.
Understand, Sunita?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
No doubt, I will make you understand about all these things.
Since I'm very new to IT, that's the reason I'm asking. Don't
No problem,
that
Sunita.
I'm
Feel free.
asking
Feel
everything. Okay.
free. Treat me like your friend, okay?
Sure, sure.
Don't hesitate to ask the questions. Every now and then you can interrupt me. It's a part of the class.
IT itself is a new platform for me. That's the reason I was questioning.
That is the reason. Every point I'm going to discuss with real life example so that you can understand. Earlier, 5 minutes back also, system administrator roles and responsibilities, SDLC. Okay. I was explaining with what? With example called caterer. Remember?
Yeah, I
Hope you
do.
understand the deployment and all.
Yes, yeah, I
Yeah.
did.
Like that only I'm going to explain.
Sure.
So in my classroom, most of the people are non-IT background only.
Okay.
That is whatever topics I'm going to discuss from tomorrow onwards, every topic I'm going to relate with real life examples so that the people can understand the subject, they can remember the subject forever, their lifelong.
Sure.
Clear?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah.
So hope you understand. I too understand your question. What is app? What is a subject? Because it is all new for you. Of course,
Mm.
the people who are new for Salesforce, for them also it is new. Whether it is non-IT background, IT background, that is different point. Because what is a subject? What is tab? What is app? It is all related to Salesforce terminology. What is this?
Salesforce terminology. Okay. Mm.
Point clear? That is why, regarding all these 5 important words, one more important word I need to discuss along with this. That is what? Record. These are all basic vocabulary. What is this? Basic vocabulary in Salesforce. Am I clear this?
Yeah.
Without knowing this, all these things, we cannot enter into Salesforce environment. It's a crime. Without
Okay.
knowing app, tab, as object, you people cannot enter into Salesforce. Before we all dive into Salesforce environment, you should know about all the 6 important words. Record, data, field, S object, tab, app, everything. So I'm going to take only exclusively 1 hour class. 1 hour class between 8 to 9 about all these 6 important words. Understand the point, everyone in the classroom? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Need to understand? Talib? Am I
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. So regarding all these 6 important words that I will discuss in tomorrow class, it takes approximately 1 hour time to explain. Clear? Don't bother about this. Okay. So before this, one more important point I need to discuss. Okay. That is MVC architecture. What is this? MVC architecture. So this MVC architecture and single page architecture, about these two architectures, differences and advantages, I will discuss not now, not tomorrow. I will discuss at the time of LWC concept. Okay, Galib?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't want to discuss MVC architecture. What is MVC stands for? MVC stands for Model
View control.
View Controller. Don't scare about this kind of words, Sunita. Hello. Don't scare about this kind of words. Okay, I will explain you very easily. Model View Controller. Model View Controller. And SPS stands for Single Page. What is this? Application. So what is the advantage? What is the advantage of single page? What are the disadvantages of MVC architecture? And what are the advantages of single page application? These are the points I will discuss at the time of LWC. Okay, concept, introduction class. Okay, just leave it. This is not important at this particular point of time. Okay. So guys, today is the 4th demo session I completed. Last 4 days, we discussed about what is Salesforce, what are the advantages of using cloud computing, what are the advantages of using software applications, what are the difficulties that we discussed in the first session. Day 2, we discussed about what is cloud computing, types of services. In the day 3, we were discussing about Salesforce releases, partners and editions. And day 4, Salesforce environments, sandbox environment and production environment. This is the point today we discussed. Sandbox environment means it's a developer's environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client requirement. I can say it is purely developer's environment. Next one is what here? Come on. Production environment. Production environment is related to client environment. So here client and client employees are using the application. But to manage these users, to manage the application, to monitor the application, there is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. And that person, we can call him as system admin or super user. Okay, guys. In case if we got a job as a system administrator, and these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real time. Am I clear this part of the explanation? Everyone in the class?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no? Any questions you can ask? Talib? Neetu?
Yes, I'm okay.
Any questions? Sunita ma'am?
Yeah, Sai, my husband is here. He said he want to talk with you.
Hi, Sai. Hey.
Yeah. How are you, Gopinath?
No, my name is Arvind.
You, sorry. Sunita
Yeah.
Gopinath means I thought, okay.
That's my father's name.
Yeah, your father's name. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, Arvind. How are you, Arvind?
Yeah, I'm doing great, Sai. Thanks for asking.
Nice name. Arvind Swami or what?
No, just Arvind then.
Okay, I'm just kidding. Tell me, Arvind.
Okay, few questions. First one is day 1, 2, and 3, since you have already covered. So you said you will share the videos, right? You might should need to connect to get that videos to run through and have that basic understanding of what you have thought in the early days. That is question number 1. Should we connect?
Please, not audible properly.
No. To whom we have to connect to get the day 1, day 2, day 3?
Yeah, Durga management. I will provide the Durga management mobile number. You please contact them.
Okay. So you will share it now or?
I will share it now.
Okay. Yeah. That is one thing. Okay. Second one is I did went through the syllabus that you're covering for this one. Would you be covering the service cloud as well as part of this?
Yeah, that is service. It's not cloud. Sales, service, and marketing that I will cover in the CRM topic.
Okay. Because there are
Because
different modules
cloud
within the
again,
sales.
yeah, Arvind, I understand your requirement. Cloud means again it is related to functional.
Uh-huh.
It is related to functional.
Okay.
It is completely related to functional. We are completely related to technical here. Of course, we are going to discuss about service, sales, and marketing in CRM topic. In CRM topic, we are going to discuss about pre-sales and post-sales, marketing, sales, and service. Total three clouds we are going to discuss.
Okay. Sounds good. And other question I was having is when she's from a non-IT background, so she
Yeah,
wants to get into the IT now. So that's why I chose Salesforce is mostly on the easier part rather going into pure data analytics side.
programming. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
program. Okay. So keeping that in mind, so would she be able to be a project ready by after this course is completed?
That I already told you in the first day itself.
Okay. Okay. Since I didn't join, so I was asking that
Yeah,
question.
yeah. That's why at the end of the syllabus of
Mm.
training, I will give the whole project. They have to implement all the concepts what we discuss in the classroom. They have to implement in the project. Otherwise, no use to learn the subject, right?
Yes, that is correct. Okay. And the last one is will we be able to take the certifications once the
Yeah,
course is completed?
certifications. I will be taking care of everything. Certifications from my side, Arvind. You no need to
Mm-hmm.
bother with the certifications. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Because admin we have two exams, development also we have two exams. But what is my suggestion is better Sunita apply for admin job rather than development. Why? Because altogether she came from non-IT background. She cannot
Uh-huh.
handle the developer job. And what is
Okay.
my suggestion is once she get the job as administrator, Salesforce
Mm.
administrator, once she gets real-time exposure, minimum 1 to 2 years experience as administrator, then she can move into a development side.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. I'm okay with that.
Mm.
Okay. What is the scope being to get an administrator job in your this side?
That is
Because
also I discussed in the first class, Arvind.
okay, because I'm not from the sales from background, so I'm into
Yeah,
data
that's
analytics. Okay.
let me complete. Let me complete. I understand your concern. I'm a corporate trainer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have plenty of contacts across India from many companies.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if any openings come across to me, they have to contact me. So
Mm-hmm.
if the candidate is up to the mark towards subject, then I will take the mock entry from my side. Then
Mm-hmm.
after I will share her resume or his resume to the concerned person.
Okay. Yeah. So just to need to build up our LinkedIn profile, the resume, and how to market for the position, and help on getting into a
Yeah,
interview.
definitely. This we will do later. But
Yeah.
first
Yeah.
of all, she need what subject? Without subject, she can't do anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I'm
Yeah.
certainly you're saying it. Yes.
First priority, what is my suggestion is please focus on the subject. Ask her
Mm.
to do practice regularly. If I am taking 1 hour class, she has to practice at least 2 to 3 hours per day.
Okay. And
Hands-on
you
practice.
will
Point
help her
clear?
to log into the sandbox environment and how to use and all those things you thought you teach her. So she will able to catch up all the things whatever you teach in the classes.
Oh, that's the reason that point explained in a real life example.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Remember?
No, I was not here, so I
Oh,
was.
I see. I see.
I just
I
came
thought
in.
you
Okay.
also sat with her beside
No,
with.
no, no, no. I was not.
Okay, okay.
Okay. It's good.
What
Maybe
Sunita
I will
ma'am?
also learn.
What
That's nothing wrong.
Sunita can hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Am
sure,
I
sure.
audible? So how you
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
about the class now with my example?
Yeah, that was very easy to understand.
Yeah. So like that only everything I'm going to take a real life example only.
Sure, sure.
Okay, Arvind? Yeah, please
Okay,
go
Sai.
ahead.
Thank you so much. I got my questions clarified. Yeah, just share me the contact number alone, so we'll touch base with
Yeah,
them.
see, if you please open the chat window, please open.
Oh, you have already shared. Okay. Okay, just copy and
You can see 929, 92, 97, 97, 27, 27. One number is there here.
Okay.
Yes. You can directly contact that number.
Google Pay number.
That is phone number, Google Pay number, contact number also. I will provide one more number. Her name is Muskan. Please note down the number.
Okay, let me.
Her name is Muskan, okay?
Okay,
720.
just 1 minute. Yeah, 720
721
721
2427.
2427. And this name is
Muskan.
MU.
Muskan.
Okay. So I can connect to either of the phones.
Yes. So better to contact the second number.
Okay.
She will lead the call, convey the information to her. We are attending 8 o'clock batch night. Sai is our batch. We missed the first 3 class sessions. She will provide she will share the recordings to you. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Please share your
And on the weekend also it's been covered, or it's only on weekdays?
Only weekdays, Monday to Saturday.
Okay, got it.
Sunday is a holiday.
Okay, Sai.
Okay.
Okay, I'll touch base with them. Okay.
Thank you, Arvind.
Thank
Thanks.
you, Sai.
Okay, nice talking with you.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thank you, Talib and Neetu. Thank you, Sunita. I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Sai. Thank you.
Okay, Sai.
Sai, what time I have to connect with her?
Better to call morning at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Sounds good.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, everyone.
என்னன்னு சேவ் பண்றேன்